Ever struggled to make your iPhone clips blend flawlessly with your professional camera footage? Let's dive into how to master color matching between an iPhone and your Nikon Z50 for a truly cinematic look. First, the foundation. When shooting with your Nikon Z50, aim to capture your footage in a neutral profile, like flat or neutral, to give yourself the most flexibility in post-production. This ensures you're not starting with baked-in colors that are difficult to alter. Now, let's get into our color grading software. I'll be using DaVinci Resolve for this demonstration, but the principles apply to most editing suites. Import both your iPhone footage and your Nikon Z50 clips into your project. Identify a reference shot. This is a clip from your Nikon Z50 that you love the look of and want to use as the target for your iPhone footage. Place this clip on your timeline as a reference track. The magic happens in the color grading page. We'll use the scopes Y Euro, the waveform, and vector scope Y Euro to guide us. Select your iPhone clip. Our goal is to make its color and exposure appear similar to the Nikon footage. Start with the primary color wheels. Adjust the lift to control shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights. Think about matching the overall brightness and contrast. If the iPhone footage is too blue, for example, you might introduce some warmth into the midtones. Next, tackle saturation and hue. Often, iPhone footage can be slightly more saturated or have a different color bias. Gently adjust the saturation slider to match the Nikon's intensity. If you notice a specific color cast, like the iPhone's green being a bit too prominent, use the hue and saturation adjustments to fine-tune it. Constantly compare. Use the software's split screen or side-by-side viewer to see how your adjustments are affecting the iPhone clip relative to your Nikon reference. It's about subtle tweaks, not drastic changes. For an even more cohesive look, consider applying a consistent creative look or LUT to both clips, and then fine-tune the individual adjustments on each. This ensures stylistic consistency on top of the technical color match. And there you have it. By understanding your camera profiles and utilizing your color grading software's tools, you can achieve seamless color harmony between your iPhone and Nikon Z50 footage, elevating your video production value.